friends, welcome to our channel Green Petals. This video is about a hair pack to rejuvenate your hair. This is a miracle remedy for thinning and weakening of hair. This pack will strengthen your hair and will fight hair fall. It can bring back the natural elasticity of the hair strands and reduce split ends. Before moving on to the video, please subscribe to this channel if you have not. Press the bell icon next to it and select the option all so that you don't miss any of my new videos. First ingredient of this pack is fermented rice water. It improves hair growth, reduces split ends, protects hair from damage, strengthens the hair from roots and smoothens hair. It also cures dandruff, make hair silky and shiny. The second secret ingredient of this pack is moringa leaves. With the high levels of vitamins and minerals, moringa leaves can keep your hair healthy. It keeps in cleansing the scalp and reducing dandruff along with prevention of hair damage. It also treats hair drying and thinning problems. Mix the two ingredients well to paste like this using a mixer. Take enough quantity as needed by the length of your hair. Before applying the pack, make sure to oil your scalp and hair. Apply the pack and let it stand for 30 minutes. Rinse well in normal water. Do it twice a week for best results. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like the video and share it with your friends and family. Until we meet again with the next natural remedy. Bye bye.